Hello everyone, welcome to Dubai Gold Souk. Today I'm walking through one of the most greatest market in Dubai and it sells gold, silver and diamond. Before we go ahead, please subscribe, like the video and comment. If you like, please don't forget to share with the friend the journey we are going to take with me in Dubai Gold Souk. If you like this journey, please just take a moment and let the memories stay with you. This place I am walking through a place where God meets history. As I step inside, the street begins to grow. The gold shine on every side, catching the sunlight like small pieces of fire. Alright, I'm taking you inside the shops across together, but each one feels full of life. Behind every glass window, God tells a quiet story. This is old Dubai. We're going inside, and I'll be showing you how people spend time here and what God looks like. Here, time moves slowly before tall buildings, tall towers, and busy roads, trade and tradition lived in these streets where I am. I walk forward, listening to soft voice, gentle footsteps of the people, because there are so many people in this place. Uh, and friendly greeting, and God here is more than beauty. It's a memory. It is a celebration. It is a promise to everyone. So some designs are light and simple, others are very are heavy, and each piece waits patiently for the right hand moment. All the people from many places walk beside me, different language, different culture, and one share wonders. So it happens with smiles. It is not just a business, it is a connection. In this place, it is a connection. The sunlight moves slowly, so you are inside, you cannot even see the sunlight, but the light inside the shop bright the moment, like it's bright one moment, soft the next. Nearby, like the hair carriers the scent of perfumes and spices, warmish families. It mixes with the sound of market and fills the streets with life. So this place does not rush you. It invites you to slow down, to look closely, to feel the atmosphere, to feel the place. Like tourists stop eyes wide, phones rises, trying to capture their shine, but some beauty is best remembered, not recorded. Alright, guys, so the Gold Souk holds the soul of Dubai city that honors its past while walking towards the future. Guys, it continues. I continue my walk step by step, listening the moment. Stay with me. Here gold shines brightly, but the stories shines even more. Has this walk God is so it is a good place to explore without hungry. People walk slowly, look around, and enjoy the moment. So this market has been trusted for many years, and that's why people feel comfortable buying gold here. Quality and trust are very important in this place. As I continue walking, I feel the charm of all the Dubai, simple building, traditional shops, and warm hospitality. I like the building. over there. The buildings are so nice. They are so beautiful. They look like in other old way, but when you step it inside in it, it's so beautiful. I continue like the every turn shows something new, and other shows another design, another story. So even if you don't buy anything, walking through the Gold Souk is a great experience. It helps you like to understand Dubai better, and you will discover a lot you don't know about Dubai. And do not take a moment to ask, take a moment to go inside the shop and try to see different designs of gold, and people selling gold are so welcoming, are so warm. And if you had to visit Dubai, I highly recommend to coming to the Gold Souk. Come during the day to see the shine, or at night to enjoy the lights. But during the most so in morning time is really so nice, and it's not a bit busy, so you can get a time to see, to select if you are to buy, to select. And so many traders are buying gold from this place, so do not feel uncomfortable. Everything sold here is really good. So the Gold Souk is not only about shopping, it's about culture and history. It shows how Dubai grew through trade. So nearby, like every smell of wood and spices fills the hair. This makes the walk more enjoyable. So if you come, or you take, like I can see so many tourists stepping to take photos. Some are surprised by how many gold is how much gold is displayed. Others are amazed by the design. So everyone is walking through this market. It feels special. The gold shines brightly, especially during the eye, guys. I told you the day is so nice. I went there, the weather was so really nice, and I recommend you guys, if you're watching this video, please try to visit Dubai in this period of time, because the weather is so nice, and you can move by you can do walking, you can move, and you enjoy it peacefully. So I tried to go out and try to get another way to a Gold Souk. It has so many gates, so you can, any gate you enter, you will find gold. So many shops here, well decorated designs, like God designs welcomes you from outside to inside to know what is taking place. The shopkeepers are so friendly and welcoming. Some like the jewelry designs are simple and elegant. Others you never seen. Others you so many people are buying here for weddings and celebrations. So just come here if you're looking for gold. You're looking for something worthy of your desirable. Just come and visit this place. You will not regret. So guys, as I'm coming to an end, I just say thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment for me, and just step in this video. I will show you how good is Dubai is. This walk uh, coming to an end, so I just say you guys, I really recommend you coming to Gold Souk and visit other places in Dubai. So thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this walk, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to give me a like and leave your comment. As I am saying bye bye, this is Fatuma Gram. I thank you for watching. This was not just a walk through a market, but a walk through time, through stories, through the heart of or Dubai. Thank you for working with me. Until the next journey, let the shine stay with you as I warm and a growing memories remains in God never fade. So guys, thank you so much, and I want to say bye bye. God Souk is not only seen, it is a felt in the hair, in the smile, and in the silence between moments. I leave this street behind crying there, growing with me. Thank you for being part of this work. Bye bye.